Starting off, you spray the towel, not the surface. Start with the outer door handle. Because passengers tend to put their hand here as well. Get the upper area. Open the door. You want to get any area that the passengers tend to touch. You want to get all of the inner door panels, including the handles. Headrest, seat surfaces. They're vinyl, so this should work well. The seat belts. Seatbelt receptacles as well. The back of the front seat, anywhere that could be touched by the passenger. Also the payment device.